Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to implement validation so that our code catches the validation errors, not the mongoose. So the very first step is for you to go to the main file and apply this validation pipe. So import this here and then use app.useGlobalPipes and new validation pipe. This will globally enable validation pipes in for your application. So I have saved it here. Next step is for you to go to the DT user, then to the DTO, and then to the create user DTO. Here you can see that Nestjs by default only created an empty class. So let's start working on it. So first you have to import whatever validations you want to import. Currently I only need these validations. For example, I want to check is email, or if it is not empty, or if it is optional, or if it is string, and also the minimum length. So this class validator is installed by default in the repository that we started working on. If you don't have it installed, then make sure that you install it. So this is the importing part, pretty simple. Next step is you would do something like this. So you define an email of type string, and then you put this as a decorator above. So you want to make sure that whatever comes into the email property is a email, that is why this decorator is used. So you can use more than one decorators as well, just like this. So you can see that password is supposed to be a string, and you have put is a string is not empty, and the minimum length of the password should be 6. Just like that, you can also make a certain property as an optional, like I have put here for the first name as well as for the last name. So create user DTO is ready. So these are the very basic steps. Very first step is to make sure that you have here enabled the global pipes for the validation. Okay, and the next step is this. So after these few steps are done, what I would do is I would open the terminal and verify application is running. So go to the Postman, and then this is my request where I was sending array of objects. Let's verify if it works now. Send here. So it should be caught in our DTO, and it is saying to like email must be an email and all of the validations that we have put. The reason being that the input is now expecting only an object, not an array of object, which is why it is generating this error. So if I go over here and I send this, so you can see the user is successfully generated. So there are other things in validation pipe as well. For example, you can do transformation as well as whitelisting and all sort of stuff. So I have put a separate video there for the entire explanation of DTO. I will add it in description below. So this is all there is for the validation for our case. So thank you for watching.